This demo is called 45Poly because it will demonstrate how to put a 45 on a poly line, which you use as a framework for piping systems. So the command, well, you must be in ortho down here on the bottom. F8 turns it on and off. So to create a 3D polyline, type in 3D, and that brings up poly. And with ortho on, it's easy to create a square polyline. So that is one simple polyline, and it's one continuous entity. So say I wanted to make that continuous, I would let's make sure we have our object snaps OS, and endpoint is important in this particular demonstration. So say we wanted to continue a polyline, we can easily do it this way. Just repeat the polyline command and start at our endpoint and continue on. Now this new polyline is not joined with the other polyline, so to make it one entity, select both sides and type in J for join. Now this polyline is one continuous polyline. So say I wanted to make a 45 between this, cut this corner. We would type in box to make it very easy. Select the very first corner and then type C for cube, and as you see on the bottom, it's one of the options. And now it makes a cube. In this case, it's let's choose 0.3 as a size of the box. Now we select the polyline and hover over that vertices in the corner, and let's add a vertices and connect it to that new vertices to that point, then go back to the previous one to stretch that vertices, drag it over to the other corner, deselect everything, select just the box, delete it. We have perfectly formed 45 that you can use for piping systems, and I don't think this would work on pitched lines. You have to determine pitch in other ways. So, and I would probably be with, after you complete, you do a 3D orbit and you pivot on different directions. So that's about it. We'll get you onto the next one.